Friends, for this project I'm using this yarn. So this is the yarn I'm using. These are the features, you see. I used 2 balls of these, totally 100 grams more or less, to be worked with a 6.5 millimeters crochet hook.
I don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my toaster on one side. You can hear it in my head.
This is another model, the same stitch pattern, of course, the same model but in different color. And this is our neck warmer when open this way. Slip note to start. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slip stitch to join into a circle into the first chain, like that. Now we will work into the circle, chain 1, and now into the circle single crochet 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 12. At the end of this first round, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet. Like that. Round 2. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into this very first stitch from where I did the chain. 1, and now into the second stitch single crochet 2 into the same one. Into the next one just 1. Into the next one 2. 1 and 2. Into the next one 1. Into the next one 2. And so on, 1, 2, 1, 2. Till the end of this round you get 18 single crochet. Slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, like that. Now chain 1, single crochet 6 into the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next round I have to do 12 single crochet, crocheting 2 times in each one of the stitches. Chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in each stitch of previous round. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and go on like that till the end of this row. Next row I will increase after each single crochet. So chain 1 and turn, 1 single crochet into the first one, 2 single crochet into the next one, 1 and 2, then just 1, then 2, 1 and 2, then 1, then 2, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, and so on till the end of this row. you'll get 18 single crochet. Okay, now we are ready for changing our stitch. So chain 1 and turn. Into this very first stitch I'm gonna do double crochet. Now into the next one, single crochet. And that's all. My stitch will be always double crochet one time, single crochet one time, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet till the end of this row. So now again, double crochet. Now into the next one, single crochet. Then again, double crochet, single crochet, and so on till the end of this row. At the end of this row, single crochet 1 into the last stitch. Now chain 1 and turn, and start again with double crochet 1, single crochet 1, double crochet 1, single crochet 1. Go on like that till you get the right length you need for your neck warmer. When we are quite at the right length, we can start decreasing. So, chain 1 and turn. Into the first stitch, single crochet 1, and now 2 single crochet closed, finished together into the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. So you have to decrease after each single crochet. So now a normal regular single crochet, and now decrease 1 and 2. Now regular 1 single crochet, now 1 and 2. Now again regular 1, and now 2 single crochet finished together, 1 and 2 together, 1 and finished with 1 and 2 together. Okay, next row I decrease every time. So into the first stitch, pull up the yarn, pull it through the stitch, pull the yarn through the next stitch together, and the same till the end of this row. 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together. Chain 1 and turn. Now single crochet 1 in each stitch below, totally 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1 and turn. Again 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now the scarf is finished. We just have to do a refining round here on the long edge of the scarf. You can do that with the same yarn, or you can change color as you prefer. For my single crochet on the long edge, I decided to change color, so I cut the yarn, insert my hook here into the last row of single crochet, pull the new color through the stitch like that, chain 1, and now single crochet 1 in each of the below rows. So 1 single crochet corresponding to each row below, like that. Okay, when you are here at the beginning of this circle, change your hook from 6.5 to 5 millimeters and continue working around this circle with single crochet like that. Okay, now if you want to have a simple button opening like that, now you go on doing single crochet into the below rows. If you want to do the flower, you have to do differently. So the last, no, sorry. So from here, turn your work like that. And now go into the next stitch here and do single crochet. Now into the next stitch here and do single crochet. Into the next one, do single crochet, because you have to create a circle to do your flower. Here again, 1 single crochet, again into the next stitch to the next one like that, single crochet, and now for the last time, last single crochet, like that, and slip stitch to join into the next stitch like that. Turn your work again, and now you are ready to do the petals of this flower. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and do a single crochet into the next stitch below. Again, chain 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6, single crochet into the next single crochet below, chain 5, 3, 4, 5 and 6, sorry, not 5, and single crochet into the next single crochet below, and go ahead like that to create so many petals you can put in your single crochet below. When your flower is completed, you do the last single crochet, then you slip stitch into the first single crochet of the border like that, and you close your work and you can cut the yarn. Then you have to restart working on the other side. Otherwise, you have another possibility. You turn your work and slip stitching here without cutting the yarn, you can reach the other side slip stitching in this way, slip stitching in the gray loop you did for the flower, in this way. After you have completed your single crochet into the long edge, you can do a last refining when you reach this point. You turn and go back doing reverse single crochet all around if you like it. Otherwise, also this row of single crochet can be enough.